8 Health benefits of spirulina. Spirulina is one of the most popular supplements in the world. It is loaded with various nutrients and antioxidants that can benefit your body and brain. In this video we reveal 8 proven health benefits of spirulina. Before going into video, if you want to learn more about spirulina, we are giving a paid book on spirulina for free. This Spirulina World Food book is written by Robert Henriksen. If you learn how this microalgae can transform your health and our planet, download this book for free. Click on the first link in the description below. So let's get started. 1. Excellent nutritional profile. Spirulina intake is a method of supplementing protein and vitamins in people's diets without notable side effects. 1 teaspoon or 7 grams of dried spirulina contains 20 calories, 4.2 grams of protein, 1.67 grams of carbohydrate, 0.54 grams of fat, 8 milligrams of calcium, 2 milligrams of iron, 14 milligrams magnesium, 8 milligrams phosphorus, 95 milligrams potassium, 73 milligrams sodium, 0.7 milligrams vitamin C. It also contains thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, folate. 2. Lower bad low-density lipoproteins and triglyceride levels. Heart disease is the leading cause of death in the world. Several risk factors are associated with an increased risk of heart disease. As it turns out, spirulina positively affects many of these factors. For example, it can decrease total high cholesterol, poor low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, and triglycerides, whereas good high-density lipoprotein increases cholesterol. In a study in 25 people with type 2 diabetes, 2 grams of spirulina per day significantly improved these markers. Another study in people with high cholesterol determined that 1 gram of spirulina per day reduced triglycerides by 16.3% and poorly low-density lipoprotein by 10.1%. Several other studies have found favorable effects, although with a higher dose of 4.58 grams per day. 3. Losing weight. People can usually lose weight if they eat fewer calories than what they use. Spirulina is a high-nutrient, low-calorie food with a small amount of powder that contains a lot of nutrition. Introducing spirulina into the diet can help people lose weight without losing nutrition. Results from a 2016 double-blind placebo-controlled trial suggest that spirulina may aid in weight management. In the study, people who were overweight and regularly ate spirulina for 3 months showed improvement in body mass index. 4. Lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is the main driver of many serious diseases, including heart attack, stroke, and chronic kidney disease. While 1 gram of spirulina is ineffective, a dose of 4.5 grams per day has been shown to lower blood pressure in individuals at normal levels. This deficiency is thought to be induced by increased production of nitric oxide, a signaling molecule that helps relax and thin your blood vessels. 5. Management of diabetes. Spirulina shows promise as a way to manage diabetes symptoms. But more research is needed before doctors can recommend it. A 2018 review study found that spirulina supplementation significantly reduced people's blood sugar levels. High fasting blood sugar is a common problem in people with diabetes type 1 and 2. This suggests that spirulina supplements may help people control diabetes. These results suggest that spirulina shows promise as food to support type 2 diabetes management. A 2017 animal study supports the idea that spirulina may help manage diabetes. In this study, researchers gave mice orally with type 1 diabetes spirulina extract. Low blood sugar. High insulin level. Improved liver enzyme markers. 6. Boost metabolism. Taking spirulina can help boost a person's metabolism. A high metabolic rate can make a person feel as if they have more energy. This can increase the number of calories they burn each day, which can aid in weight loss. In a small-scale 2014 study, people who took 6 grams of spirulina a day experienced a beneficial metabolic effect, along with weight loss and improved health quality of life. Those included in this study had non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and more research is needed to see if spirulina can promote metabolism in others without the condition. 7. Improve muscle strength. Exercise-induced oxidative damage is the major contributor to muscle fatigue. Some plant foods have antioxidant properties that can help athletes and physically active individuals reduce this damage. Spirulina appears to be beneficial, as some studies have shown improved muscle strength and endurance. In 2 studies, spirulina increased endurance, significantly increasing the time it takes for people to become fatigued. 8. Preventing of heart disease. Both high blood pressure and cholesterol levels are associated with heart disease. Since spirulina can reduce both of these risk factors, is it possible that it may help prevent heart disease? A 2013 review suggests that these blue-green algae may play a role in preventing heart disease. It helps in reducing their cholesterol. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.